Is your C drive running out of space while your D drive sits half empty? What if I told you you could merge both drives into one bigger C drive in just a few clicks? Today, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step way to do it safely in Windows 11. Before we do anything, make sure to back up your D drive. Simply copy all the files from D drive to another drive, an external drive, or a USB stick. This is crucial because after we merge D drive into C drive, the D drive will no longer exist as a separate partition, and all the data on it will be erased. Let's open Disk Management. Press Windows plus X on your keyboard, then click Disk Management from the menu. Once it opens, you'll see a graphical layout of all your drives and partitions on your PC. This is where we'll manage and eventually merge the partitions. You'll see something like Disk 0 with partitions labeled C drive and D drive. To merge D drive into C drive using built-in Windows tools, D drive must be immediately to the right of C drive on the same disk. If you see another partition or unallocated space between C drive and D drive, you cannot directly extend C drive. In that case, you would need to move or delete the in-between partition first before merging. Locate your D drive partition. Right-click on D drive and select Delete Volume from the menu. A warning will pop up telling you all the data on D drive will be lost. Make sure your backup is complete. Then click Yes. Once deleted, D drive will turn into unallocated space, which will be shown as a black bar in Disk Management. This space is now ready to be merged into C drive. Locate your C drive, right-click on your C drive and select Extend Volume from the menu. The Extend Volume wizard will open. Click Next and make sure to select all the unallocated space. Now click Finish and Windows will merge the unallocated space into C drive. Now your C drive occupies the entire disk area, combining the space that was previously on D drive. If your extend volume is grayed out, that happens if the D drive is on a different physical drive, or there's a recovery or system partition in between the C drive and the D drive. In that case, you would have to use a partition manager like the AOMEI Partition Assistant. It merges drives without losing data. The direct link to download the Partition Assistant is pinned in the comment section. Once the merge is complete, refresh Explorer, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Scroll down to the File Explorer under the Processes tab. Right-click it and select Restart. The File Explorer will briefly disappear and then reload. Open File Explorer. Go to this PC and you should see only the C drive with more free space, reflecting the combined area from the old D drive.